In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a website in Odoo. If you need to temporarily hide a page from the public without deleting it, Odoo makes that process very simple. Unpublishing is useful when you are updating content, fixing errors, or preparing a page before making it visible again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can do it confidently. To begin, log into your Odoo account and open the website app. This is where you manage the pages and public-facing content for your site. Once you're inside, navigate to the website or specific page that you want to unpublish. Make sure you are on the exact page you want to hide, especially if your site has multiple pages with similar layouts or names. When the page is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This area contains several important website controls, including the option that manages whether the page is publicly visible. You should see the Publish toggle located next to the website selector. If the page is currently live, the toggle will appear green and indicate that it is published. To unpublish the page, simply click the green Publish toggle to switch it off. After you do that, the page status will change to unpublished. This change means regular website visitors will no longer be able to access that page publicly. It is a quick way to remove a page from public view while still keeping the content available inside Odoo for future edits or republishing. That's especially helpful if you want to make changes without affecting what visitors see on your live site. If you have more than one page to hide, just repeat the same process for each additional page you want to unpublish. Open the page, go to the top right corner, find the Publish toggle, and switch it off. Taking a moment to confirm the status after each change can help make sure the right pages have been hidden. One helpful tip is to double check that the status clearly shows unpublished before moving on. That way, you can be sure the page is no longer visible to the public. This is a simple but important step, especially when managing several pages at once. And that's all it takes to unpublish a website page in Odoo. Thanks for watching.